In front of me is Lenovo Yoga Tab 11, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this tablet. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for location shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see in this pop-up, in order to disable location, you need to select close. So when I do that and go back, I can see that location is off. But you can always turn it back on by tapping on the same no black shortcut. You can always just go into settings instead. Scroll down and look for location section. Then click on this switcher next to use location to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!